marketing easier through every week that you should look out for. We have studied several methods of automation you can apply for your dropshipping stores. Without further ado, let's get started. Why should we use automated systems? Automation should be a priority for your store in 2021. It has so many advantages and you should not keep delaying implementing it. According to Shopify, research recommends that rather than focusing on incremental change, focus on improvements that can fundamentally change how your organization operates. What is e-commerce automation? It is software built to convert tasks, process, or campaigns within your e-commerce business to automation that intelligently executes exactly when needed. Just like we have vast choices of appliances, there is a wide range of applications that can automate specific tasks for your store. Every part of the store process can be automated. We have compiled the general explanations you should consider. Point 1. Customer service automation. Customer service is inevitable. You need to set up a station for pre-sales inquiries as well as after-sales services, whether it's in form of email, tickets, chatbot, or live chat. Providing customer service is essential. Customers online are used to having fast interactions and they always expect a fast response. If you don't have fast responses, potential and existing customers will have a bad experience and will turn to your competitors. Employing a chatbot or accommodating CSR, customer service rep, is the best way to distribute that. There are a lot of customer services outsourcing companies there, such as Zendesk and Help Scout. Or you can rent a customer service by finding freelancers at Upwork. If you already have a dedicated customer service team, chatbots could elevate some of the workloads by answering easy questions. Your team can in turn focus on more serious concerns customers have about their purchases. WhatsApp chat, automated, and messenger channel are two of the chatbot services you may want to get hold of. If you are planning on conducting customer service on WhatsApp or Messenger to give shoppers an easy way to start real-time conversations while they browse your products. 2. Security automation. A consistent and preferably delayed backup is one essential way to secure your store in case you lose anything, whether through technical mishaps or cyber attack. You have your backup. Manual backup are time-consuming and downtimes on your store will definitely cost you money, not only because of maintenance, but also because customers won't be able to purchase during the closure, and there is always a terrible chance that customers lose confidence in your store after a security breach. Having automatic backups makes your store and your customers' data safe from attacks and breaches while keeping your store fully operational. Everything goes well.
Nice.
TrustedSite and Rewind backups are great options you can find on the Shopify App Store for your security automation. Well, in the pricing aspect, TrustedSite is pricier because it provides extra services like trust marks and certifications. Although, if you are running with a tight budget, don't get too nervous about your store's security. The Shopify platform and network are PCI compliant. Shopify is certified level IPCI DSS compliant. This compliance extends by default to all stores powered by Shopify. They have proactively responded to GDPR complaints, offer free SSL cert on every store, and Shopify mitigates common attacks by having powerful web application firewalls in place. 3. Fulfillment automation. Fulfillment involves many tasks and processes to be accomplished. It needs to be properly coordinated and communicated among all departments. Especially the logistics, automation can make this coordination seamless and frictionless. There are several extensions provided by Shopify's App Store. I would recommend CG Dropshipping as your best bet. Let's break down the entire process of fulfilling an order using CG's platform. After you successfully send the store to its system, you can start initiating sourcing requests. Inquiries quota per day were limited. There will be 5 requests available if you are new to CG, but all sourcing requirements are free. Once the product was found, the sourcing agent will provide an SKU list for the product. That basically means you freed yourself from hassle of talking with Chinese suppliers with language barriers. Once you have made up your mind about the product, pay up. The sourcing department will start procurement. CG Dropshipping will take your goods to the warehouse where there will be quality inspection, repackaging, and storing services for your needs. Time an order is placed. The product stored at CG's warehouse will be prepared for delivery. CG will ship the product around 3 to 5 days after the placement. If you are concerned about the long time shipping or exaggerated shipping costs, CG offers various shipping options. Choose one that suits your needs the best. Tracking will be provided within 2 days. CG will forward emails to notify a buyer the goods have shipped. The tracking will be generated on your Shopify store. If there are any distributions, agents are always standing by. Contact them regarding issues, and they will reply in 2 days. CG offers mature after-sales services. If there are any quality issues or distributions from buyers, their team will handle the situation within 2 days. Order fulfillment automated process can do repetitive tasks with precision and speed. It's incredibly time-consuming if done manually. Small businesses don't have that luxury. Point 4, marketing automation. Marketing is a time-consuming part of running a business, but it can catapult your success. Privy, as one of the most popular extensions you can get from Shopify's App Store, perfectly fulfills the function for email automation. Use it for email marketing as well as bonus features. Analyze the visitors of your websites to convert traffic. Speaking of data analysis, Lucky Orange and in-cart Upsell are also top-notch choices for dashboard apps. Lucky Orange provides such a cool feature that you can watch your visitors every mouse click, move, and scroll in real time. If you're mainly targeting your audience on Social-media-holic, managing your marketing ideas on Instagram is a no-brainer. Get Instafeed as your social media organizer. Hootsuite as one of the most successful media dashboards is also a great choice. Let us know if you have any recommendations about other social platforms automation tools in the comments. There are also several life-changing features Shopify provides for store owners, like adding notes on the order, custom blogs, etc. Some customization you could use to help your store grow business. I won't be chit-chatting more. on such matter. We may do a whole episode on Shopify hacks in the future. Benefits of automation. Automation helps your customers and it saves you and your team time and money. You get to focus on growth. Managing your store hands-on is time-consuming, and there may be some aspects of your store that needs your focus, but you never get the time because your hands are full of less important but more urgent tasks. Automating tasks and processing fees up a big chunk of your time so you can focus on plans and strategies instead of the day-to-day operations. Try automating your store and experience the convenience yourself. Please subscribe if you want to know more free skills. Leave a comment down below and let us know what kind of automation you have applied. Do you prefer Lucky Orange for your marketing strategy or in cart upsell? Let us know if you have any